You're going to use these awesome sliders.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
And one person can do it. Just watch how it works. Say I want to spin it.
I can't believe it.
Now if I want to just push it, I can push it on it, but I got to get low. So we need to go right. Of course, you can't be a weakling. Are we doing, Esmeralda? And now when you want to get them out, all you do is push it forward and you lift it up. Now, they need to come forward so I can shove it tight to the wall. We're not taking it off the skid because eventually it's going in the house. Throw it all out. Oh, and every video we do makes you a little bit smarter, and the same with your family.